let's take a look at it in a very different way. Okay, but I'm gonna do a sound check, so you guys let me know if you guys can hear. At least write me in a Telegram group or in the live stream, either or. But the Telegram group will be better. Alright, so I guess the sound is good. If the sound is not good, just let me know in the Telegram group. Okay. I don't know why it is doing it. So sorry guys, sorry. Alright, 15 watching. I guess sound is good. Nobody says anything. Loud and clear. Alright, great. Alright, so let's get it started. So I just found something very appealing. You guys know our target is 92 to 94. Okay, yeah, and I didn't say like way to start laddering. That's up to you if you want to start laddering now. Oh, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I only get like 2 to 4 hours sleep, man. So you can start laddering now. It wouldn't be a bad idea to start laddering now. But me, I have my, just to be safe, I have my orders like set like I think like starting at 94. Because what I just saw, like after I finished the first live stream, we got a nice extension in this area, which is roughly exactly a 0.618 extension. This move, okay, from 10.1, roughly 10.175 in this area, right? 10.175 down to, let's say, sorry, echoing. Okay, down to, come on mouse. Okay, down to 9,900, right, in this range. Okay, and up to, so if you ignore the wick, right, up to this area of 10,000 again, 10,050. You guys remember we got a strong support at 10,050, and it was like a resistance. So it pretty much BTC respected the 1-to-1 extension. Exactly, respect the 1-to-1 extension, and then we also respect the 1.618 extension. So it kind of make me wonder, like, if we could be making another wave to the upside like this. I'm not expecting like a 14K right now. So I'm not expecting a 14K right now, but we would be expecting this move. Okay, this move. All right, this move could give us like what we talked about yesterday. If you guys remember, like when I told you, like on the Telegram group, we talked about this pattern. Okay, we said BTC got a 3-wave move to the upside. So I think like John said he took a screenshot and then he sent it to the group. So, and I was looking at it also. So we got this move to the upside. Okay, excuse me 1 second. Let me get this screen line properly. So we got this move to the upside. We talked about it in the public live stream like this, right? And then we said like in the Telegram group yesterday, we said if like we missed the wave number 5 to the upside, we're gonna be making another 3-wave to the downside. But we just anticipated like a normal correction, like ABC, like a flat correction. You know, when most people like draw ABC correction, they're gonna draw a flat correction, right? Not flat, but a zigzag. So, but this one could be a zigzag. Okay, could be a nice zigzag like this also, right? This one, and then we could get this one to a downside. But it doesn't matter, like we still could be coming back to our target, because the alpha is completely oversold, and it is gonna, you know, it is gonna get out of this area at some point. It is not gonna stay in this range forever. All right, it is not gonna stay in this area forever. So we're gonna have to be careful for the next move to the upside, just because most of us like to FOMO, and we haven't missed a trade like for so long, guys. For those of you like in the Telegram group, you know, we buy at the very bottom, like you know, within like 2% from the bottom, and we sell like within 2 to 1% from the top. So we're very good at doing that. So, but the hardest thing is like to stick with your pattern and to stick with your plan. All right. So that's the hardest thing. That's the hardest thing. So we could anticipate it's not going to change anything about the structure we talked about last night in the Telegram group. If you don't have the screenshot, you can ask John, I think John Lecture, to send it to you again. All right. So it is going to, if you don't have time to watch the last live stream, I think it was right around like 30 minutes on the previous live stream. So you could be anticipating this move, and then we're gonna, you know, the next move on the 50, even on the 15 minutes, or in the on the hourly. All right. So keep that in mind. Our target has not changed. All right. But in case you're accumulating right now, it's not a bad. It wouldn't be a bad idea to accumulate now. Basically, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Slowly. Okay. Slowly, not heavily. Slowly. Okay. Slowly. Just like we talked about at 10.1. You guys remember like when BTC was at 10.1 in this area, I think it was in this area 10.1, 10.2, and then we said like we're going to be looking for 95, right? 95. We're going to start accumulating from 10.1 down to 95. You can see like we started dropping like 10.2, guys. 10.2 started dropping 10.2. We start accumulating slowly. All right, and most of you guys made a nice profit from this area. Okay, nice profit. Okay, and then we push to the upside again, drop down, push up, you know, hit our target, you know, now we're getting out. Okay, so most of you guys sitting on like a lot of profits. So the best thing to do, the market, we don't know like if BTC is going to be able to hold 8.8 or not. Right, after 94 we're going to get another swing to the upside, and then we're going to take a look at the structure again, right? So we don't know if BTC is going to be able to hold 8.8. You guys remember 8.8 was our target since like, you know, the 26, 27 last month. It's been already like a month. So don't forget about that also. Okay, don't forget about that. Don't forget about that. Yeah, but it is nothing but a correction, guys. It is nothing. This area, it is nothing but a correction. Okay, we talked about it like EOS. We talked about it like NEO. We talked about it like XRP. The same thing is happening with BTC. Okay, even if you go with a Bitcoin Cash, BCH, ABC, yeah, you get to buy the cheapest BTC, guys. You get to buy the cheapest BTC. Hey, what's up, HR? It's been a long time, man. No see. You go to if you go on take a look at it. For some reason the computer is just slow and freezing. Sorry. So then take a look. I haven't taken a look at the chart of Bitcoin Cash for so long, but it is Bitcoin Cash is making the same pattern BTC is attempting to make. Okay, it is making the same pattern right now. It is making the same exact pattern, but Bitcoin Cash is in advance. All right, is in advance. So that's the same thing we're anticipating. So basically what we're saying, like BTC is just about this area. Okay, so and we talked about this when BTC was 10.1, guys. 10.1. We talked about this pattern. I didn't even see like a Bitcoin Cash that time. So Bitcoin Cash is completed a wave A and pushed to the upside, and we're anticipating a push to the upside from BTC. So, but I'm not going to take it. I'm just telling you in case you see it. Okay, but I'm not buying in this range for like a 100 point, 200 points. I know it is a lot, but I don't wanna take the risk. I'd rather buy like at a 92 to 94, even 95. Okay, start accumulating at 95 if you're aggressive enough, because we just don't know if it is going to hit like a 92, right? So you want to start accumulating 90, 95, 94, 93, 92. Okay, so it is like 4 digits, right? And not 4 digits, but 4 numbers. All right, so every 100 points. So that's not bad at all. That's not bad. So let's go back to BTC and take a look at the fib levels. So we're not going to focus too much on the monthly right now. We already know we in big trouble right now. So let's just focus on picking up some cheap BTC. Maybe it's this Telegram I just downloaded on my computer. All right, so we got nice 5-way structure in this area. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this wave number 5, it is already at a 1.618 extension of your first initial drop. So it is logical to anticipate this move. It is very logical. Okay, it is very logical, but it is very risky also. It is very risky if you're looking for like a 300 points to the downside. So for those of you liking to a short and long, the all side is looking healthy in a way, like we could push a little high, drop back down. So if you want to take it, it's up to you, but Sun Crypto is not taking it. So I'm just I'm just letting you know if you want to take it. Hey, what's up, Ludovic, Louis? Yes, you understand why to ladder, because if you start laddering right now, you can catch that 200 points. All right, you can catch that 200 points. But if you missed it, you're gonna get cheaper BTC. Like I bought at 10.1, right? Because I could have catch it like back to a 10.3, 10.4, but I wasn't sure, so I start buying 10.1, and then every 50 to 75 or 100 points, you're just trying to get like 7 buy orders within your your buffer. At least get 6. Okay, buy order. Don't get like 2. Okay, 2 is not good enough. At least high. It is gonna be high. Right, it is gonna be high. Not even like 24 hours since we talked about this pattern. It is playing out perfectly. We gave a nice signal exit right around 10.1. Most people bought at 10.1. Okay, so we said like don't get out. Okay, don't get out. It looks beautiful, but get out. So get out, guys, get out. So luckily you guys followed the plan. Okay, you guys did good buying at 95. Most of you guys bought around like 95, 96 in this area. You sold at 10.1, 10.2. Now you're buying. You're sitting on like a lot of profits right now, so you can even play with your profits. You don't even have to like ladder with your initial investment. Okay, all the profits you've been making the last few days, just ladder it down to 92 and see what is it gonna give you. It is not a financial advice, but it is something just to keep in mind. So let's see. All right. Yes, that one. That's the one H2O is talking about. The water sports fan is talking about in a Telegram group. So that's about it, guys. I just want to keep it short. It is nothing special. We basically talked about everything within the last 24 hours. Yeah, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So just give it some time. Just give it some time. If you're looking for the swing, give it some time. But the ultimate target is the low 92. All right, 92 to 94. You got 400 more points. 400 more points. 400 more points. My phone is dead, so I can read the I can read the messages on the live stream. So let's take a look at the daily very quickly. So yeah, the daily is nothing going on. The volume is pretty low. We dropping with it's almost like 6,000 trading volume. Yesterday first hour we got this yesterday the first 4 hours I think we got 10,000. all right, today we got like 6,000, so it is not bad. It is going to be a very low volatility. The volatility going to be very, very low. Okay. Even if like we're gonna get like even 37,000 trading volume. Yesterday we got 37, so today we might not even get 37. We might get like 35 or less. Okay, 35 or less. Okay, so it's not gonna be enough volatility. No need to FOMO. Even if BTC jump like 200 points, don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Just stick to the plan. You got big wicks in this area, so look for these big wicks, guys. Okay, these big wicks. This big wicks gonna help us a lot to push to the upside. So buying right now, unless you're buying like for the next 10 years, it doesn't really matter if you're buying to HUDL like for the next 10 years. Okay, but right now just wait for like 92, start laddering 95, 94, 93, in that range. Okay, if you're shorting, it doesn't matter to you, just short it down to that area. All right, guys, thanks a lot, man. Sorry I can't read the messages on the live stream. My phone just went dead. I forgot to plug it in. But we talked in a Telegram group shortly. All right, guys, thanks a lot. 92 to 94, remember. All right.